Marijuana addiction signs. Addiction to marijuana, however, has several other signs, including bloodshot eyes, fast heart rate, sleepiness, lethargy, lack of coordination, lack of focus, talkativeness, misjudging time, secretiveness, possession of paraphernalia. Valium addiction symptoms. One common sign of Valium addiction, which is drowsiness or sleepiness, which can be extremely dangerous, especially if the employee is tasked with a safety-sensitive job. Other signs of addiction to Valium, which belongs to a class of drugs called benzodiazepines, are drowsiness, slurred speech, poor coordination, hostility, irritability, impaired judgment, blurred vision, unsteady gait, reduced inhibition, amnesia. Alcohol addiction signs. Of all the substances that are commonly abused, alcohol is perhaps one of the most dangerous, particularly because they can be legally bought at any liquor shop. To see if a worker or a colleague is under the influence of alcohol, here are a number of signs you need to look out for. Unkempt appearance, smell of alcohol on breath and skin, irrational behavior, sluggishness, bloodshot eyes, sleeping on duty, staggering or unsteady gait, tremors, tardiness, absenteeism, temper outbursts, aggressive behavior. Cocaine addiction signs. The most common cocaine addiction signs, along with general addiction signs, in a person that are easy enough to spot are dilated pupils, erratic behavior, nervousness, irritability, and anxiety. Other cocaine addiction signs are runny nose, damage to nasal passages from snorting cocaine, track marks from injecting cocaine, burned lips or fingers from smoking cocaine, licking their lips, frequently restlessness, talkativeness, argumentativeness, feeling of superiority, paranoia, mood swings. As with most drugs, the signs of cocaine abuse and addiction may vary from one person to the next, depending on the frequency of use, level of physical dependency, and how long the addiction has been going on. Heroin drug addiction symptoms. Heroin is one of the most addictive illicit drugs in existence. It is also one of the toughest addictions to kick. The signs of heroin addiction can be fairly easy to recognize. Slow breathing, flushed skin, runny nose, sudden behavior changes, frequent mood swings, changes in peer groups and social preferences, drug paraphernalia in the person's belongings, money troubles, decreased or loss of concentration in brain functions, neglect of grooming, slurred speech, scratching, complaints of constipation. Drugs have no place in the workplace because they put the health and safety of everyone in it at risk. If you notice in a coworker any of the signs of drug addiction to a specific drug as listed above, and you begin to suspect that he or she has a drug problem, refer everything to your HR or safety team.